Hello everyone, this is Lorraine. Today I'm going to turn this dull, offended gentleman into a nice, shiny, offended gentleman. We never use him, he is only for show, and he stands in the corner of the guest bathroom with the elusive toilet paper on his head. I found him a few years ago at the home store here in town. I bought it for my husband as a surprise. As you can see, Clyde has gotten a little dingy and a little worn around the edges. So today I'm going to give him a brand new suit and hopefully he has a brand new attitude. The paints I am using to freshen up Clyde are from the Dollar Tree and from JOANNE'S. I'm not going to do a lot of talking in this video because it's pretty much self-explanatory, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. Be sure to rinse your brushes well after each color so the paint doesn't dry hard onto the brushes. Painting old grumpy Clyde took me about 3 days to complete. I did 2 layers of paint. Be sure to let each layer dry completely before adding the next. Wow, I'm really surprised with the way Clyde is turning out. And this is only the first coat. Now this is where the fun begins. I really had to put my painting skills to the test. I really had to play with the red, the orange, the yellows, and the whites to get the perfect skin tones. But I know some of you Picassos out there have other ways of achieving a skin tone color. If you do, let me know in the comments section below. But I'm so glad I finally got it. Yay! When painting small round circles or little small squares, be sure to use a brush with short bristles so you have more control over the brush strokes. You would think after all the hours I have spent giving Clyde a new suit that he wouldn't have such a snobby, stuck-up attitude. Oh well, I guess you just can't please everyone. I did the second coat of paint off camera and let it dry overnight. These are the clear sealers that I chose to finish off my project with Clyde. Make sure you always use spray paint in a well-ventilated area, preferably outside. I did 2 coats of the clear acrylic spray, and I waited about 30 minutes in between both coats. Well, here is Clyde, all finished and shiny like a brand new penny. When you're standing in the corner with toilet paper on your head, you want to at least look good while you're doing it. I had been wanting to repaint Clyde for a while, but he came out way better than what I had expected. I'm really happy with how old Clyde came out. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Until next time, take care.